Hey guys, this is Mark with Apple Tech 128. In this video, I want to give you a quick overview of the brand new Gmail update that just came out not too long ago. Some of you may not have it yet, so you may be wondering what it looks like, how it works. If you want to get this for yourself, all you have to do is go to the Settings tab, and there should be a button at the top that says Try the new Gmail. You may have also gotten a pop-up around here that would have also said the same thing. If you are on an enterprise account, the managed by an organization, they do have to enable that. The administrator has to enable that feature. So maybe talk to them if you're not getting this. But if you're on an individual account, you should have the beta by now. If not, here's the video. So the layout looks pretty similar. We do have our tabs at the top just like before, and these will change based on what you want to have. So I just have the three ones. I have primary, social, and updates. And we can go through and view all of these right here. The style is a little bit flatter and a lot more white. Our compose button is a little bit different because it matches now Google Drive, but the composing messaging thing here looks all the same. We also do have new icons right here for our sent and everything. And if we do open up an email, you can see that it does show the category, and then it shows any type of attachments that it does come with. So for example, we have a video, some images, that sort of stuff. And then when we open it, it does really look a lot similar to the previous one. However, our navigation buttons up here are a little different. We do still have Google Hangouts down here in the corner, and that's really unchanged. But one of the bigger features of this is actually this new sidebar. From here, we can pop out something like the calendar, and I can view the months and everything and see what is going on. I can even open this in a new tab, which it just blocked. But we also do have Google Keep, so I can jot down some notes and that sort of stuff. We have tasks, so we can, make to-dos, and it's kind of nice that you have all this stuff on the side right next to your email. Let's say you have an email open, you need to add a task or look at a note. It's kind of nice. We can also add some from the market, which is somewhat limited right now. But all you have to do is just click one, and then we'll just say install, continue, and it'll install and everything. We're not actually going to do that, but then you'll have our new icons right over here. And again, you can always go back to classic Gmail. So that's the new Gmail. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and I'll see you in the next one.